once Columbus had found this place, and there were people already there, then all of these other countries started wanting a piece of the action. And as they started trying to divide up the territory, and what I want to bring up here is England was one of the first to establish a corporation within America. It was known as the Virginia Company, and this was back in the late 1400s, early 1500s. Look up the Virginia Company. It's the same company that you know of today as the state of Virginia. It's the same company. I want you to see how the territory had been divided by all of these different nations. Why is this important? This is important because if you're telling me that this land was Morocco, but I need you to understand that at this time, for somebody to keep saying that North America is Morocco, when we're looking at these maps, and they're showing all the countries, all the other countries that had territory and had claimed rights, France, England, Russia, a couple of other places that had claimed territory, but you don't see no Morocco up in here claiming territory. You don't see Morocco up in here claiming territory because they didn't have any territory at the time. And the other thing about Morocco and why this couldn't have been Morocco's territory, because remember in 1492, the Sultan was defeated and seceded all of his territories to the Queen of Spain. So what is this talking about Morocco owns some territory when the Sultan was defeated? Oh, I'm going to go deeper than that. It don't just stop right there, because that's why I'm asking. I want to see proof. Show me a map. Show me some kind of documentation where it is said that North America is Morocco. Well, I'm going to show you for every one piece of evidence you think you have. I'm going to give you 3 showing that it can't be real. 3 for every one. I could really give 4 or 5. But you know, what I see with these groups, these people with the Moore group, what they want to do is they'll put up a whole bunch of BS, but no facts. Innuendo. But I'm getting there. We're going deep today. I got time today. And we're going through it. All right. So, I'm going to get into this. You'll see the maps whereby the territory was in everybody else's name, Morocco. All right. Now, getting into this, we understand now. Britain comes into the territory and has established treaties with the original people of the land. Britain comes in the 1400s. So what has happened is they telling y'all about some pilgrims and all this. Pooh, that's pooh. Because what had happened is that when England comes in, they came in with this business called Virginia. Also, they had another company called the Indian Company, the West Indian Company. So again, you got to understand, this is a treaty that, you know, they have to come in and they have to ask and get permission from the people of the land to be in the land. And the land to this day is in treaties in the name of the original people. This was back in the 1400s. And why? I got treaties. Go now. I told y'all, pen and paper, write it down. UNARepublic.com/DOCS. D as in David, O as in Oscar, C as in Charlie, S as in Sam. UNARepublic.com/docs. You can go there and pull down a list of treaties, and it's just the beginning. And they all come way before 1777. There are 13 of them. That's only a few of them. And in those treaties, it's the original people saying, this land belongs to us and our people, and it's going to remain in the name of our people. And we will subjugate ourselves, meaning we'll pay taxes for whatever kind of protection you can provide to us. That's what England came in to do. They came in and they told the people, we're going to give you protection, and we're going to give you some jeans and some trinkets and some whatever they were giving them for the rights to be on the land. But the land always maintained or remained in the name of the original people of the land to this day. So then, if anybody knows law, and this is why I bring up this law right here, hierarchy of laws. Why do I bring this up? Because this is the order in which laws are. And so what you'll understand, this right here, this is God's law. And then you'll come down here and you'll see treaties. And then you'll see constitution. But you got to understand, that's your constitution. But you can make it like, okay, this is the Constitution of the United States of America. Okay, but the treaty is higher. Always. And that treaty, those treaties were put down in the 1400s. Why am I talking about those? They are law. They are above anything the United States of America could ever create, because the original people of the land are the only ones that have the right to put this land in contract with anybody else. They're the only ones, the original people. Not somebody coming in from another territory, Moors. I don't care what your skin color is. You can't come in from another land and then try to take over control and ownership of this land and call it yours. Now we're going to the international laws. International laws that the original people of a land, it remains their land. They can't even give it away. Even if they give it away, it's still their land. All right? So now, no, Diva, we don't know about no treaties. Now y'all don't know about no treaties, but Diva do. I just posted them. I posted them. You can go find them. UNARepublic.com/docs. Read those treaties. Don't read a synopsis of the treaty. Read the full treaty. Find the full treaty and listen to the ancestors speak. Because they're going to tell you what kind of treachery was done.